Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a get ready with me. I feel like I haven't done one in a while. I feel like every year for my birthday it's kind of a thing for me to do a get ready with me. But my roommate Alice had something planned for me today, or for my birthday. I didn't get a chance to film the get ready with me. But here I am today. I'm gonna show you guys how I got this makeup look. Before we get started, Ana Luisa did send me a few pieces and I wanted to show you guys. Got 3 pieces as you can see in this box. 2 pairs of earrings and 1 ring. I love that it comes with these little patches. I love that it comes with these little pouches. It's just like a simple gold ring, and I just thought it would be really cute to stack or like mix and match with what I already own. We're gonna open the next pouch right here. By the way, these pouches are also like magnetic closure, so it's really clutch. You pull it out and it's like these cute little double hoop earrings. So cute. Just like a subtle, classy look, you know? These are perfect and you can dress them down or up, so I just think they're so adorable. So the double hoop earrings, one thing to note, which I think could be a flaw, but I think it's kind of cool, is you can take off the little circle thing and just wear one as like a little gold hoop. So I feel like that's cute by itself, but you can always go in and add the little circle thing. This is the next pouch right here. This one is a silver pair. So this is more edgy, I would say. I thought it would be cool to kind of like put these on one side, but I don't know which way I want to put it. Like, I can't even show you guys. Should I go like this? Or should I go like this? I feel like that makes more sense, huh? Okay, so I added that one right there. Oh my god, it's so cute together on one ear. She's cute. She's cute. I love her. I do think for this look, I want to wear the gold ones. So this is the final look. I think it's just super cute. You know, you can mix and match any kinds of jewelry. If you guys want to check out Ana Luisa, then please check out the link below. Okay, let's just go ahead and get started and get ready together to accomplish this cute little makeup look. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit, or a lot of it. I'm super shiny right now just because moisturizer, SPF. I'm using my high quality camera today, so it's a little scary because you can see like everything, but also because I don't know why it keeps going in and out of focus. So hopefully that's not a problem. I'm gonna go ahead and use this primer. I've never used this primer before, so this is the Marc Jacobs Undercover Blurfection Primer. So it definitely doesn't fill my pores like too much over here. And it feels a little oily, but it is one of the coconut products in the Marc Jacobs line. I really don't know about the blurring. I feel like you can really see pores up in here. So for foundation, I haven't used this foundation in a while, but I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. Just gonna, you know, spread this over my face with my finger. Blend in the foundation with this flat kabuki brush. I just like to pat it in and then I'm gonna buff it out. Okay, I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape, just dot it. Well, not dot it, but I like to go like this. And on the sides of my nose. And a little bit up here and on my chin. Just on the sides of my mouth. Like that. You know, you really don't have to use this much, but I'm just a psycho, so. And then I just take the same brush, really just tap it in. I do also go on my lids a little bit as like a little primer for my eyeshadow. Bro, it's so hot right now. Every time I film, I get so sweaty, and I should learn from that and not wear long sleeves. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that my birthday was April 7th and it was 96 degrees outside. I thought I was gonna melt. Now that all my cream base is done, I'm going to take the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter setting powder. And I know I talked a little bit of shit about this, but it is a good powder. It's actually really great. I just don't like the price on it. We're gonna go ahead and take some of that powder like this on a flat brush. I use a little foundation brush. I like to just set the more detailed areas, I would say. And then I'm gonna go over my entire face with a large powder brush. And just pat it in, just pat in the powder. At this point, actually, my lips are feeling a little dry, so I'm gonna use the Sugar Advanced Therapy Fresh Lip Balm. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my Marc Jacobs bronzer. Oh my god. Oh my god, it broke. No. Okay, I fixed it. We're good. This is the bronzer. It's more on the cool tone side. It's just like the perfect bronzer for me. Just really messily bronze my face and a little bit down here. And in my forehead region, just like on the outer parts. I don't know what's happening here. This has been happening recently where I have like a dry patch on my cheek. And then we are going to take a loose powder. This is just the Too Faced Peach Perfect powder, and then just bake like so. And we are going to do my favorite part, kind of, because I feel like I finally got it down. But I'm gonna contour my nose. So I go under here, like pretty heavy, so you can see. And then just like on the sides. You know, whenever I do it on camera though, I either do it too much or, I don't know, it just doesn't look like my normal contour, so it makes me angry, so I'm gonna try my best. That's looking a little crazy. A little button nose action, and just round it out. Guys, I'm already getting a little sweaty. Add a little powder there. I'm gonna bake my nose anyways. Just bake. Like so. Okay, brows, up close and personal. I found like a new favorite brow product and I want to show you guys. I'm gonna first use the ColourPop Brow Boss pencil. I just brushed through my brows. I'm just gonna basically underline my brows. Really shape the tail. And then the top slightly. Very lightly. And here I just kind of make hair strokes down to the tail. Okay, so that's pretty much all I do. I know it looks empty, but trust the process. For the other side, this is my good brow, so maybe I'll show you guys here. Just underline brow like that. Thing, shape it. Make sure the tail is where I want it to be. Top part. But this is what my brows are at right now. Like I said, it looks a little empty up here, but we're gonna fix that in a second. Next from here, this is my new favorite product. I've had it sitting in my closet. It was brand new, but I haven't used it. But the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. This is so amazing. It really emphasizes the brows. This brush has like a short side and a large side. I take the short side first, and I just really, from the front, because the product is on the bottom, I really focus it and blend it upwards. Then I just brush the rest of my brow out. And then at the end, I just use the fluffy one to just do a final brush through. On this side, take the product from the bottom and blend it up. And then just brush through the rest of the brow and the thick side. And then from here, if I feel like my brows are lacking a little bit, then I go in with, this is the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder in the shade 3. Just kind of go in and fix what I think needs to be fixed. So I'll just kind of flick a few hairs through the brows. Like, it really just looks like my brow. You know, it doesn't look like I added anything. It's so good, it's so good. All right, eyeshadow, I'm gonna use something simple. I'm gonna use the ABH Sultry palette, and I'm just gonna go in with this cool tone brown called Twig. I'm just gonna pack it like this. From here, just look like this. Gonna blend. For me, I have kind of sad eyes, so I like to flick this shadow, whatever's left on the brush, and go out, kind of like a cat eye. So you can see it just flicks it up. I think I'm gonna go into this one and use this shade right here called Ember. Just go on my lid like so. And then with the same brush, this is actually the Morphe R39. Blend the two together on top. And my eyeshadow's done. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I do wanna add some under eye shadow. I wanna do something fun. Maybe I'll go in with like steampunk shade. I don't even know if it's gonna show that much, but oh yeah, it does. Does that look crazy? I think it looks a little crazy. Just flick the outsides a little bit. It does look too crazy, so I'm gonna go in with the same twig right here. I'm just gonna get real close to the lash line. It helps tone it down a little. And then while I'm here, I'm gonna take some loose powder again and just shape and really just clean up the eye look. Now I look like a super crazy person. Now we are going to take off this situation right here. Same flat brush. I'm just gonna lightly blend it in with the bronzer. Blend it down. Also the nose, you're kind of like blending it, but also taking it off. This I'm gonna leave on for a little bit longer. For the powder, since I did do the bronzer right under, it does leave sometimes a white streak, so I like to go in with the bronzer brush and just really like blend. We're almost done, guys. For my eyes, I'm gonna do this off camera, but I'm gonna curl my lashes, add tight line, and mascara. I'm gonna take the same flat brush from earlier, just blend this powder up to create that winged shape. I don't need to do eyeliner because of this. I feel like it just really snatches my face. It's a little harsh today, more than usual, but it's fine. So now we're gonna do the rest of my face. I got this when it first came out, which is the Carly Bible Il Makiage Moonstruck Medium Palette, and just really pretty. It looks like this. It just gives the most beautiful glow on the cheeks. I'm gonna take this shade first and put it on my cheeks, and then I'm gonna put this on top. And it adds like a little bit of a blush shade, you know, because it has that like pinkiness. So just really blend it with the fan brush. Then we're gonna go in with the gold shade right here, just to the tippy tops. Just adds that like nice sheen, you know? And take the gold highlighter and just go on my bridge, my nose bridge. And on top of my lips. And I actually forgot to do my inner corner, so let's go ahead and do that. This small detail brush. And I'm gonna go into this rose quartz shade. Just put it on my inner corner like that. Just adds like a little pop. But then I just go in with my pinky, blends it out, and just touch up anything if you think it got lost. Last but not least, we're gonna go in with the same Il Makiage palette and take this pink shade. Brush it. It's like perfectly pigmented for people who are not advanced in blush. Literally pounce it into my skin and then just blend it upwards. And then, as you guys know from my everyday makeup video, I like to go in on the bottom of my nose. And final touch, I'm just gonna take the same gold thing here and just add a little tiny oomph to the tip. The last thing we're gonna do is add a lip. This is my favorite lip product, I think, of all time. I've gone through like 3 of these. This is actually the NARS Afterglow Lip Balm. This is in the shade Dolce Vita. It's just like easy to use. It's like a lip balm. Well, it is a lip balm. Super hydrating. My favorite shade is definitely an Orgasm. I'm just setting my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter. All my face is setting. I'm gonna go fix my hair and I will be right back. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I did pop on a lash, Sephora Weightless False Eyelashes in Flutter and Stare. I do have that on, I trimmed it, and I think it looks super natural and cute, like eyelash extensions. I am looking quite dewy already, so I'm gonna have to powder, but I gotta go to lunch now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. Link is in the bio, or link is in the description box. I'm kind of getting back into makeup again, so maybe that will all come back on YouTube. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, put the bell on if you want. I hope you guys are doing well. I'll see you guys in my next video.